Welcome to the October Tech Tips. Our topic this month, screenshot options that you can use on your desktop or your Chromebook so that you can save some of those cute little images that you find to use in your projects. The first tool we're going to be talking about is the Windows Snipping tool. If you haven't used this tool, then this might just change your life a little bit. I love this tool. So you'll find the snipping tool in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen on your Start button. So when you click the Start button, you may see it in the Start menu. If you don't, you can go ahead and click on All Programs. And it's going to be in the Accessories folder if you're in Windows 7. So if you click on Accessories, then you will find the snipping tool in the list of accessories that you can use. Now you can also right-click on the snipping tool and you can pin it to your taskbar or pin it to your Start menu. So if you pin it to the Start menu, it will be in that list of applications that you see when you click on the Start menu button. And then if you click on the taskbar, you'll notice that I have mine pinned to the taskbar down here at the bottom of the screen. I love to have the snipping tool right here readily available to me so I can just click on it and start a new snip. So that's where you find it. If you're in Windows 10, when you click on all apps, you may need to do a quick search and just type in snipping and it will pop up in the list of all apps. So once you have the snipping tool, you found it and you're ready to use it, when you click on it, you get a box that pops up on the screen ready for you to start snipping and choosing some different images. Now you do have some options when you create a new snip. You can do a freeform snip. that lets you actually outline something so you can get very close to it, so you can kind of crop out some of those things that you don't want to have inside that picture. You can do a rectangular snip, which is basically our regular, that's the default. You always start with a rectangular snip. You can do a whole window that you're in or a full screen. I don't know why you would want to do a full screen with the snipping tool, because you do have the print screen button on your keyboard that will actually take a picture of the entire screen for you, and then you can paste that in an application also. So when I click on the snipping tool, my box pops up on the screen, and notice it grays everything else out on the screen. And then I can click on the drop-down menu to get those options. So I'm going to navigate over here to the Instructional Technology webpage, and let's say that I just want a picture of this image right here. I'm going to put that somewhere, or I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to print it out, and I don't want all this other stuff that's on the page. So I click on my snipping tool, and I get my box that pops up, and I can navigate on the screen and drag and drop, and notice I get the little crosshairs when I'm on the screen, and then I will get the picture that I snipped. So this is a great tool. Now once you have that picture that you have snipped, then you're going to get some different options on a menu bar across the top of the screen. So the new button we've talked about, you can start over if your snip didn't go the way you thought it was supposed to go. You can save it. This is really important if you have those applications that you're in. Sometimes we get those applications that don't let us copy and paste. We actually have to insert something instead, like a Google Drawing. Let's say if I was trying to snip something and paste it in there, sometimes it works, and sometimes I actually have to go to insert the image. So you can save the image, and that will allow you to choose your destination where you want to save it. And then you have the copy that will copy to the clipboard, and that allows you to paste when you're in another application. This is a really cool feature. You can email something right from the snippet menu. So if you've taken a little picture of a cute cat reading a book with some glasses on, and you want to send it to some people and say, look how cute this is, you can do that right from this menu option. If you wanted to add some captions or write over something, there's an annotation tool, and you can click on the drop-down menu. It gives you some different pen colors and options. We also have the highlight tool and the eraser tool. So you can actually make some modifications to your snip before you copy it or before you save it, which is an awesome, awesome way to be able to take some screenshots. So that's the first tool that you'll find on your desktop, and that will be available on any desktop. Once you sit down at a desktop, you'll be able to find the snipping tool and use it in some applications.